So if you are writing service servers in ROS2, you might want something easy to debug the services and to call them so you can test different cases. Well, you can call them using the terminal, and you can also call them using a graphical tool named RQT. So let's start a node which contains a ROS2 service server. ROS2 run demo node cpp. We are going to launch the famous add to int server. Okay, so the node is running. Now let's quickly check ROS2 service list will give us add to int here, and that's the one we want to call. So you can now simply do RQT to launch RQT, and maybe we'll get something like that, maybe not. So maybe this will be empty. You can go to plugins, services, service caller, and here you have, so you can refresh here if you need to, and you have the list of all services you can call, and of course the one we want here is add to int. So you click on add to int, and here you have the requests automatically filled for you. So you just need to now give the values, okay? You don't need to worry about the type, the name, or anything. So let's say we want to give A 4 and B 5, okay? So the request is ready. Now we can click on this call button here, and it worked. So from the server side, you can see we have a log that we have received the request, and here we have the response. So request field here, response field here, and you can see we have the sum here, which is 9, so it worked. So of course now you can test with many different values, and this is a very quick way, along with the terminal, to test your custom ROS2 service servers. Alright, if you liked the video, subscribe to get more tutorials like this in the future, and also check out my online courses to learn ROS2 step by step by practicing and directly going to the point. Links in the description. Thank you for watching, see you in the next tutorial or in one of my courses.